Hi trader, this is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. How do you make $1 million in a month? Some people say you should start with 5 millions and become a day trader on the Forex market. But I presume you haven't got 5 millions at the moment. So in this video, I'll show you the simplest way to achieve that goal from the title. I know how long it will take you, but it's probably the easiest, the simplest way you can do it. So let's start the rock and roll. Did it happen to you that there was a bad market, but you were sleeping like a baby all the night? You probably slept all the night, but you woke up every hour and cried. That's the reason you slept as the baby. If it's happened to you, this system, small, simple one, which I'm going to show you, will definitely help you to achieve your trading goals as an issue of money. So the system consists of one simple thing. We just trade only on daily charts. We don't trade even, you shouldn't trade even 4-hour chart because it's not reliable. This system is for D1. It requires only 10-15 minutes a day and that's it. And you will do it. Let's start straight to the point. So what we have to do? First thing, we have to put an indicator. I got it prepared already, my template here, which is where is my MA, the simplest system. That's the indicator. It's just a moving average. This moving average with a period of 4 shows just what you should do. So the system consists in one thing. First thing you have to know is how to introduce, how to put a moving average on the chart. That's the first one. The second part of the system, you have to know how to draw the channel line. That's the second part. And the third one, you need to know how to count to 3. I presume everyone can do it, so that's the reason why it's so simple. You don't need to be a master of science or philosophy doctor or mathematician to do it. As you see on the chart, when the candle crosses above the moving average, just at the end of the day at 2300, you buy. And if it's going the other way, if the candle crosses below, you sell. But there is a condition. When you do it, you buy only when the market is rising. That's the first condition. How do you know that the market is rising? By the angle of moving average. Is it constantly rising? It means the market is rising. If it's flat like that, you don't trade. If the moving average is falling, you sell it. When you know it, when the moving average is tipping down. So that's the first condition. The other one, the price has to cross below the channel line, not the trend line, the channel line. That's the channel line. Here we go. You see, that's the channel. The trend line, as I told in few of my previous videos, is this one, from the very bottom to the very top. That's the trend line. We are interested in the lower channel line on the rising market, or we are interested in the channel line in the falling market, whatever is that. So as we see over here, the market is rising. So the first condition we've got fulfilled already here. But we don't buy yet because we don't know whether the market is rising or falling. The second thing, we got a channel line or a support line of the trend, which shows us that the market is growing. The third condition, we have to know to count to 3. What I mean by this, the market has made 3 steps. This is the first step the market made. The second one the market made when this line was defined. Basically, it was defined over here, but this one confirmed this is the market. Here's the third step. And on the third step, as soon as the candle crosses above the moving average, we buy on a daily chart only. I remind you, it doesn't work a 4 hour, 1 hour. It's too many false signals to work this system. What we do, we buy. And from here, we just keep it rising. As soon as it moves, next day it moves up. Obviously, we move our stop loss here. It's moving up, we move our stop loss here. After the correction, we don't buy, we get stopped, we earn this part of the business. It's not big, whatever it is, but it's 160 pips. So, the next step. Already 2 conditions are fulfilled. The next cross, we buy again here. We buy again. The market moves up. We move our stop loss just to the break even. The market moves up. We move the stop loss again to break even. The market goes up. We keep it. The market goes up. We move the break even here. And that's it. If the market don't go further, we just leave it. So, now we can define that the market is falling here. The market is falling. The market is falling. We got already defined our trend line. So after we defined it, we've got first step, second step, and now on the third one, the third pace, which is going down, over here, we sell. And again, the same story. The market moves here, we move our stop over here. The market moves lower, we move the stop. The market moves lower, we move our stop. And so on till we get stopped. Same story again here. The market started rising here and came back first step. Here we got the second step. You got the line, and over here we buy. And the story goes. Obviously it would have been stopped here. It doesn't matter. The market crosses again like here, we buy. And so on, and we move the stop loss. And further, if we get stopped here somewhere, again, here we buy. We move stop loss this day over here. At the end of the day, we move stop loss up to here. We get stopped. Doesn't matter. Again, the story here. The candle crossed above this moving average. So, we buy, the market moved, we put the stop loss here, and we get stopped. That's a simple system. Guys, I tell you, it works. Try it at home, and I'm sure you'll get good results very soon. Watch my other videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.